Hello, football lovers. I greet you all. If it is your first time here on this channel, make sure you don't leave without pressing subscribe button and the notification so you notify next time I drop the video. So please like. So rain data updated you today that Nabi on Peterson decision and immune pressure. Kaiser's chief head coach Nazareth Nabi has praised on Brendan Peterson and said the decision to make the change with Bruce Vouma was due to immune pressure in recent weeks. Chiefs started the season with the new signing Fiacre Ntwari before his questionable display saw Peterson earning his place in the starting lineup, but after any injured, Bruce Vouma took his chance and retains the number one spot for most of the champions. In his 23 games played, he keeps 8 clean sheets and conceded 23 goals. A fair performance on the basics on a struggling side, but some errors were nitpicks and severely criticized on social media, which likes affected the mental state of the academy products. Peterson was called upon the Nedbank Cup final for his first start since December 2024, while Ntwari returns to the bench in the trouble over Orlando Pirates. When the first half started, 5 minutes into the game, if I'm not mistaken, coach said that this is no longer the same Chiefs as the last weeks. It was the truth because you can tell that the boys dunk deep. They really wanted this, and I told you that it's about those fans. If they can put a smile on their fans, and the only person that I'm happy for now is the chairman. I know Dr. Mtaung is happy whatever he is because he's been dying to a trophy at Naturena. So, if you are new here on this channel, make sure you don't leave without pressing subscribe button and the notification so you notify next time I drop the video. And please rewrite your thoughts on the comment section.